Hi fifths, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. How are you guys doing? I am up. Baby's already off to work. He's head out just before me. It's exactly 7 a.m. and I'm talking low because Tyler is still sleeping. I'm about to go and pick him up right now because I have to head out and drop him at daycare for 9 o'clock. Because he have his final 1 hour trial today before he officially starts his full half days. So today is his final 1 hour session, and that's at 9 a.m. until 10. So I have to drop him this morning. I don't have work today, so it's perfect for babe. He doesn't have to leave work and come and do that or go and pick him up. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing, wonderful moment whenever you're watching this vlog. At this very moment, I declare happiness upon each and every single one of you who is watching us right now. And I just felt like pouring out so much love and so much positivity to you guys lately, because there's so much things happening in this world and God sees and knows that we all need it. On that note, I am just going to go ahead and tell you guys to have an amazing day and give this video a thumbs up, because I know you guys really enjoy watching. And if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, don't forget to turn on your post notifications, okay? And if you forget to turn on your notification, just go to our channel every day, because we upload Monday to Friday and bonus videos sometimes on weekends. So yeah, I'm going to stop the rambling, go and pick up my baby boy, get him dressed, and head out for the daycare. Good morning. Morning. Bonjour. How are you? You're awake? All right, let's go. Let's get dressed and put on the shoes and go and catch the bus, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Say good morning.
Mommy.
Oh, sweetie.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. Let's get dressed. Come on. As I'm passing the beach, I had to stop to show you this beautiful sunrise as I'm passing to go drop Tyler. Look how beautiful that is. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. He's forever ready for school. Go, baby, go. Go. He's forever ready for school. Come on, this way. Go on. You guys, I am so proud of Tyler. I dropped him, he was excited, he didn't shed a tear, he tell me bye, he give me kisses, and I'm just so excited. My heart is full. I am just so proud of that kid. He's so smart, he's so grounded, and I am really proud of him. He didn't cry, He's so ready for school next year. I'm just so really proud of him. Anyway, enough of being a proud parent. I don't know if you guys follow, but Tyler trouble with acid reflux, really bad acid reflux when he was born, and it still troubles him somewhat, depends on what he eats. So just now I was feeding him his porridge after we get here, and he vomits up every single bit of it. TMI. It's a good thing he's like that sometimes, so I'm always walking with like 3 different change of clothes for him. So I just had to change everything off, clean him up, drop him off. Now he's there. I think I'm going to find a hot chocolate spot and have something to eat, because I don't think, oh, I think my store is open. So it's either I'm going to have something to eat or I'm going to go shopping, because Tyler's there for an hour, so I have to find something to eat or find something to do within the hour. You guys, I picked up Tyler at daycare, and this boy, he's so ready. He didn't even shed a tear. They said he did so good. He even paint today. He did painting, so he got his hand all messy in paint, and they showed me his little artwork that they paste on the wall. It's so cute. But yeah, just stop at the park for him to play a little bit, and then I think we're going to do a little shopping. But he's in the park running around. There he is. Yes.
Mama.
Hello.
Mama.
Yes. You having fun? My big boy. Look at him climbing. He's in here. He's in this thing. He's going through the little tunnel. There he's coming out. Ty, careful! Wow. Shh, no screaming. Go in it. Go in it. Go on. Wait, you're pulling off my clothes. Hi faves, so we are back home, and Tyler is saying clothes. He wants his clothes. So I'm just going to show you a little haul. We went shopping, and I'm going to show you a little haul of all the things that I got for Tyler and I. You want your clothes? You want your clothes in the bag? Let's show them what you got in the bag. Here, show them what's in the bag. Show them everything that you bought. Show them what you got. Wow! What is this? We got Tyler some winter / fall pajama, because all the ones he had from last year can't fit this year, so I have to take them out. So he got this one, which is a Spider-Man for €15. Wow, what's this? Spider-Man! So he have a Spider-Man one.
He has this picture of me. It is so cute. All these are pajama sets. So they have the pants and they have both the pants and the shirt to match. He has, what else do you have in there? Ooh! He have, what do you call this one again? Let me see. This one is, Paw Patrol. Have this Paw Patrol and it has the pants under here. He have another one. Give me this one. Let's see what's this one. Let me see what this one is. We have more large. I really don't know what cartoon this one is from, but there you have it. It's pretty cute. If you guys know what cartoon this is, then comment down below and let me know, because I don't know what it is. Oh, yeah, another Spider-Man. So yeah, those are all things that I have tried.
And for myself, I got
This top. So that's one. I got this other top. Still long sleeve but different material. This one is thicker than this one. Bravo! And I got this black one. Same long sleeve but they have different style. As you can see, this have a little pattern at the front. Long sleeve. And then I saw this army top that I really like, so I picked this up too. And these were, this army top is for $17.99 and these tops were for $12.99. And I got 1, 2, 3 of these. So I got 4 tops for myself.
Thank you. Put them in your room. Go and put them in your room. Put them in your room. Go on. He knows exactly where to go and put them. My boy. So those are all the things that I bought from shopping, and I was so tired. I just wanted to come home, so I came home and fed Tyler lunch. I now need to go and find me something to eat, and I'm just going to rest for the rest of the day because I'm really tired. Come for the rest of them. Come for the other shirts and put them in your room. Come on. Come for these. My little helper. Put that one down and come for these. Put them in your room. Look at it. My little helper. They're doing construction on our apartment building and it's so annoying. I don't know if you guys can hear the knocking. They're repainting. They're doing everything outside. Yes, baby. Go. Bus. So we can't open any window on that side of the house. Everything around there has to stay dark. We have to use light. And when they finish around there, they're going to come around the front. So construction is so annoying, but I guess gotta do what you gotta do.
Hi guys. Well, hello everybody, because I think you didn't see me today, so yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed their day. It's actually Friday, so it's the beginning of the weekend. Also mean that feel very, very tired because yeah, this week I've been very hard, been sick, and since yesterday I feel my nose and my throat, so yeah, that's definitely not a good week. Yeah, I hope at least you guys enjoy watching this vlog, the vlog this week. I do that you're all doing well, better than I feel. But like I say, when we look around us, we always have to take things easy, so I don't complain. Yeah, nothing special today. Just went to work, come back late as usually, and yeah, baby's still very tired, like I am, but maybe a little bit more tired, so she already gone to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog today here. I wish everybody a good weekend. I hope everybody gonna enjoy the weekend. By the time you watch us, the weekend will be fun, so I hope you have enjoyed it. Yeah, so there will be no Jamaican or French expression tonight, but we're back tomorrow, okay? So give the thumbs up if you like this video. Then I'm talking with my nose. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share, comment down below. Well, I'm trying to think about it when she's talking. Comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and yeah, hope I didn't forget anything. Take care and stay positive. We love you guys.